feeling dull and bored.
What? You are feeling dull? Come on, let's go to Monster Lab. I'll teach you something interesting.
Okay, my friend.
Let's go, come on. So this is the checkerboard.
Okay.
Now we'll take some numbers like 2 in hundreds place and 1 in no 1 in tens place and 3 in ones place. Now we take into and keep it over here. And the table number should be black. So now 3 beads 3 times. So we take 3 beads. 1, 2, and 3. Now when we keep it as 3, now in tens place, we should keep 3 times 1 bead. So we take 1 bead, 1, 2, and 3. After in hundreds place, we keep 2 beads 3 times. 1, 2, no, sorry. 2, 3. Now we count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 in ones place. So in tens place, 1, 2, 3. 3. In hundreds place, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 639. So we'll do it on paper normally. 213 into 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we got the same answer.
Well, Granny, this is so interesting.
Yes, it's so interesting. Okay, let's go to class. It's time already.
Okay, Granny, let's go to the class.